Hey guys, it's Najam here. Check out my backyard. This whole jungle and swamp. I cannot believe like how huge and humongous this has grown. And you would think this is Florida or somewhere in the panhandle, but it's not. I'm up in Beantown, northern part of Massachusetts, and this is in my backyard. And we have all these grass. It's really pretty here during the spring, summertime. So I really like that. Isn't that pretty? So I want you guys to see this in my backyard. Trees, nature. If anytime you hear some of my videos with birds, so like a lot of different species of birds that's here. And it's just beautiful. And I love it. It's very peaceful, very quiet. Ooh, look at that shot. It gets bigger and bigger over here. So we have like all kinds of birds and different little animals and stuff around here. So if you're a nature person like me, I love coming outdoors. I love taking walks. You can see it reminds me of my childhood, of where we used to play outside a lot, climb trees, play in the forest, the jungle, and had such a major big imagination. And these are the settings I like that helps me to expand my imagination. And so I'm going to be expanding on that topic in another video, but I want you to imagine your life and your life experiences, and just looking at here and see how you can just be very playful and vision other things that you like, you know. I love painting, I love art, so I would use these really cool backgrounds and utilize my imagination in a very, very big way. So I hope you enjoy this. This is a cool shot here. So I'm just going to span for you one more time. Oops. Okay, so see you in another video. Take in the nature.